We're ready to welcome the cast and crew of Chakravyuh, all stars in their own right.
See, the thing is that ऐसे कठिन नाम रख देने से क्या होता है, एक बार लोग सोचते हैं अच्छा क्या ये चक्रव्यूह, and then they'll remember it because once they, if it is a very simple name, they would probably wouldn't kind of like notice it. But more than that, I try and find a word which actually symbolizes the whole film, the subject.
मैं ऐसे लोकतंत्र में विश्वास नहीं करता जो गरीबों की इज्जत करना नहीं जानता।
हमारा मूवमेंट जनता के लिए और ओखर अधिकारों की रक्षा के लिए हमन आखिरी दम तक लड़बो। चलो।
One has only tried to be honest, to bring up the whole issue of Naxal insurgency, where thousands and thousands of armed guerrillas are fighting this state, and more than 100,000 of armed police and CRPF and Army and Air Force are trying to defend this integrity of the nation.
Yes, as an artist, I feel it's a part of the responsibility to have some sort of message. But we do have films, like we do have categories, films only for entertainment. So in some ways, yes, I do feel there should be a payback to the society in terms of social responsibility.
When you say entertaining, please don't misinterpret and think that Chakravyuh is just a very serious film. Okay, it's a very entertaining film as well. Because if you don't make a film entertaining and engaging, then you might as well make a docudrama or you make a documentary and you release it like that. Yes, there are a lot of real incidents in the film, but one has to, and that's the beauty of being in a Prakash Jha film. He knows how to make the correct balance between entertainment and at the same time giving a message.
सरकार चाहती है, देश चाहता है कि आप उसके विकास से जुड़ें।
अरे मत भूलना कॉमरेड, ये लुटेरी सरकार की पुलिस
जो भी बंदूक की नोक पर सत्ता हासिल करेगा, वो फिर राज कैसी ताकत से करेगा, ये आपको सोचना चाहिए।
I actually think that films is a form of art. You express yourself, and Prakash sir has said it before, and he still believes in it, and he still says it, that he's going to stop making films unless he doesn't have anything to say. And I think he always wants to say something through his films.
Some films are made only to entertain, some films are made only to highlight something, some films are made to incorporate both. I think as an artist you should just express yourself, and if there's a social message, that's great. I think it's just good to throw everything in there, So while you make a film that's a rom-com, let's say, it's good to throw in one that highlights an issue like this film does, and it just gives you a full package.
महंगाई की महामारी ने हमरा गड्ढा बिठा दिया, चले हटाने गरीबों को हटा दिया, सरबत की तरह देश को गटका है गटागट, आम आदमी की जेब हो गई है सफाचट, आम आदमी की जेब हो गई है सफाचट।
I make films because I feel I have to say something. I have been able to see some equations in social movements and I need to express it, and so I go deep into it and find a story and weave it into a film which should be entertaining, engaging. So whether it was Ganga Jal or Rajniti or Apharan or Arakshan and now Chakravyuh, they have to, give you the worth, the money that you spend on it.
ये सारा नाटक हमार जमीन छीन के हमको बेदखल करने के लिए।
कीमत की परवाह मत कीजिए,
ये लिस्ट है 230 आदिवासी गांवों की जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट और माइनिंग एरियाज पर बसे हुए हैं। इनको भी खाली करवा दे आप।
आपके डंडे के बगैर ये गांव वाले कहाँ हटने वाले हैं?
हमारे डंडे कानून और व्यवस्था के लिए, और जिस दिन उसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम।
Chakravyuh is a story of two friends and several committed, people. So the whole story is set in the backdrop of this Naxal movement, and the position changed by the friends puts them into a circle which seems has no escape, and that is why Chakravyuh.
He gets into a huge conflict with his best friend, who is Abhidyo, with his wife, who is Isha, okay, with his superiors, with his colleagues, and the system, and that's the Chakravyuh that he gets stuck in. Can he get out of it? Can he not? Will he choose friendship over duty, or will he, or his relationship with his wife over duty? What is going to really happen?
It's a beautiful story between these two friends and how they're distorted between like Adil for the love and duty towards his nation, and Kabir has his own ideologies.
This is the sound of the underground. We will never back down. Gonna fight for a right. This is the sound.
It's really wonderful to be here. Thank you so much for all of you coming and giving us.
Get up, you gotta fight for your right.
राजनीति के टाइम में हम आए थे, और राजनीति के बाद आज फिर आए हैं आपके सामने चक्रव्यूह लेकर के। 24 तारीख को बुधवार के दिन दशहरा है, और बकरीद से पहले ये पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है, चक्रव्यूह।
महंगाई की महामारी ने हमारा भट्टा बिठा दिया, चले हटाने गरीबी, गरीबों को हटा दिया। महंगाई की महामारी ने हमारा भट्टा बिठा दिया, चले हटाने गरीबी, गरीबों को हटा दिया। सरबत की तरह देश को, सरबत की तरह देश को गटका है गटागट। आम आदमी की जेब हो गई है सफा चट।
सावधान, ये आजाद क्षेत्र है। खाकी वर्दी वाले सोच समझकर इस सीमा में प्रवेश करें। उनकी जान की गारंटी उनकी खुद की है।
कर साईं नाल सबक वफा